First of all, you make habits, and habits make you. Hello, my dear learners. Welcome back to this channel. I hope all of you are very well. I am Rakesh and I have been a learner. Of course, English is my life, my hobby, and that is my passion. I love teaching in English and also love expression in English. Basically, English is a funny language. English is wonderful language. And of course, all of you love this language. In brief, I would like to tell you about my own channel. This is what you all are watching right now. What an idea with Rakesh, and welcome to this channel. So guys, recently in this channel I have started broken and spoken English speaking practice series for beginners, and in this series I also allow myself to speak English incorrectly, whether it is wrong or right. Just focus on a speaking practice. Well, let's get started. Today's topic, that is, I am going to tell you about English language and how to develop a habit in speaking English language. In this video, I am going to tell you about the habit of speaking English language, how to develop the habit of speaking English. Guys, first of all, you make habits and habits make you. You know the statement and understand the meaning of this statement. So guys, your life is all about the habits you do, your daily activities related to life works. It means day-to-day life activities which you all do regularly. So guys, this is the power of habits. Most of the people often say that they get stuck in English while speaking. Sometimes I get stuck while speaking English because I don't have habit of speaking in English language. This is the reason behind this, and of course all of you are also. So guys, you will have to develop of speaking English language without doing so, you can't be fluent in this language. So guys, you all want to speak English. First of all, you all will have to start developing the habit of speaking English. Initially, developing the habit of speaking English is so hard for all of you because good things take time. Guys, for developing the habit of speaking English, you will have to focus on listening and reading skills. In previous video, I have already discussed the foundation of English language, that is listening and reading a skill. These two things help a lot to improve your communication skill, that is English language. So guys, take your time to develop this habit, that is speaking in English. So guys, question arises how to develop this habit, that is speaking in English. For this, first of all, you will have to focus on listening skill. This is the first step. A lot of content related to English language you can start listening again and again. After listening, try to speak in English. So guys, listen, think and speak. Most of the time, you should give the listening skill, and after that you start speaking, because speaking comes from speaking and improvement comes through practice only. The more you practice, the more you learn. So guys, habits are all about practice only. Lastly, I want to say that you will have to consume a lot of contents in English language. So guys, just from today, start listening a skill. Listen in English and speak in English. First of all, you listen and think in English. After that, you express and speak it English language. No matter how your English is wrong, that is broken English, because you all are beginners. So guys, don't think about making mistakes and types of fear. Take a small simple step to develop the habit of speaking English. So love you guys. Thanks for watching video regularly.